guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trish. So today we're going to be transforming ourselves into a witch. This is going to be the first of many Halloween videos to come all through October, and I'm very excited to finally be doing all of this for you guys. So I'm going to be quiet for a couple minutes and let's just hop into the rest of this video. So you guys are probably thinking, why is she starting with her eyebrows first? Like, shouldn't you prime your face? Yes, normally, yes, you should prime your face first before you put any makeup on your face. I like to do my eyebrows first because I don't like how my eyebrows go on with my pencil over the primer because it just slides all over the place and I don't like it. So I do my eyebrows first, and as you can see, sometimes they go on pretty thick, but it's okay because it all gets fixed and carved out when you fix them with concealer, which is Tarte Shape Tape that I'm using, by the way. So I had to speed this up a little bit because doing your eyebrows takes such a long time. I also want to take the time out to apologize for the fact that I'm not like centered in the video basically throughout more than half of it because I haven't figured out my filming situation yet. Like, I wanted it to go over my mirror, but my situation just doesn't work right now. So hopefully I'll get that fixed in the future, learn from our mistakes, yeah, that kind of thing. So we just watched me prime my face, and now I am moving on to my foundation, which is Fenty, and I believe I'm in shade 330. Alright, so now I'm in my electric palette from Urban Decay, and I'm starting off with my first shade, Freak, and I'm basically just rotating between the three green shades in that palette, which is Freak, Thrash, and Fringe, and I'm just packing those all over my lids. And what I really love about the colors in this palette is that they're so pigmented that you really don't even have to pack them on for real, and they're just so easy to use and so convenient. Okay, so once again, I apologize for being off to the side, but what I'm doing now is drawing the spider webs onto my eye makeup that you just saw me do. I'm basically creating spider webs on my eyes, not on the lids, but like that random space between your lids and your eyebrows. What do you call that? But anyway, so basically, technically, I'm following something that I saw done by Voodoo Barbie Doll, but I didn't watch her tutorial at all because I already knew how to do this. I learned how to do the spiderweb eyes like nearly a decade ago from YouTuber Leisha, aka X Sparkage. Like, that was a long time ago and it stayed in my memory. But I saw Voodoo Barbie Doll do it recently and I was like, oh, I can do something with that. So here we are. So I went ahead and did the second eye off camera and now I'm just lining my waterline, which I haven't done in years. I'm actually kind of depressed that it's my left eye showing because my right spider web is so much better. I kind of messed up on my left one and I was just like, whatever, I'll just leave it. And of course we got a contour. I may or may not have put a little bit too much on my left cheek. And you know what comes next, the blush and the highlight and, you know, making everything shiny like a disco ball. Psych, nope, I don't make it shine like everybody else does on YouTube. I ain't about the highlight, but I still use it, just not excessively. Last, you gotta do them lashes, girl. I don't wear falsies, ever. Partly, mostly, because I still don't know how to apply them. But I have long lashes anyway, so who cares? And then last, for real this time, you gotta have yourself a black lip, cause how you gonna be a witch without some black lips? And I'm using Alien from NYX Cosmetics. now I'm just taking my eyeshadows that I used earlier and packing just a little bit of that onto the lipstick, just so we have a green to black ombre effect. And then we're all done. But wait, there's more. You know you gotta get yourself a long black wig. But wait, don't you think I forgot? Look out, Jessica Lange. There's a new witch in town, and I'm the baddest of them all. So that concludes our video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. All right, bye.